Some of the neighborhoods we work in St. Louis are older historic homes, and there's actually, city ordinances or HOA rules that dictate they need to keep the home very pure to how it would have looked when it was built. So that's where we look to lean on, wood or fiberglass windows. Some of those old kind of rich, authentic wood windows, especially back, 70, 80 years ago, they looked pretty, horribly inefficient, and they're drafty and just didn't work well. And so I think when clients in these older homes look to replace their windows, in whether it's because they want to stick to that look or it's mandated, there are options out there. So we look to like Marvin, Anderson, Pella, that create beautiful wood windows, but also have that modern technology in it. So we can still get dual pane, low E with argon gas. So you can get all that efficiency out of it, but still very much maintain that historic look. So I've been asked before, is there a way to save some cost, do a vinyl window that has the old look? And you can do a vinyl window that has a laminated wood grain look over it. It's certainly not authentic. I would say we'd have to consult with your local ordinances just to make sure. The worst thing that would happen is we go to do it, we install it, and then it comes back that hey, you have to replace these windows because they're not authentic to fit the historical nature of the home. But yes, with vinyl windows, they do have the laminated or simulated wood look that you can do if you'd like to explore those options. Some of the neighborhoods have stricter HOAs than others. So I know there's a few different neighborhoods we work in year to year that say, hey, any even changes you want to make in terms of the look of it. So if you have a straight wall and you want to add a bay window, you actually need to go to your HOA or that city ordinance for approval. And so we submit drawings and designs to show what is the current, what is the new look going to be. So I'd say, yeah, if you live in one of those neighborhoods where there are a lot of HOA rules around that, we should consult with them, get approval before we proceed.